Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't.
Alright, another day, another ride in LA. We're out in Beverly Hills right now with some of the LA Eastgate group. Dude, yes! Doing some wheelies, enjoying the scenery. Just gonna sort of film the ride, and if it's even slightly entertaining, I think I'll post it. The gloves are kind of falling apart. I've been riding too much. Got Min here on her 2022 Sur Rons Black Edition, looking so clean and mean. This is one of the nicer parts of LA. Beverly Hills, notorious for being pretty bougie. So let's bring some wheelie action into it, balance it out a little bit. Got Sur Rons, Onyxes, but as always, no matter what you're riding, Sawyer's leading the way on some crazy e-board. Oh, my hands are getting tired, but I don't want to stop wheeling. There we go. There we go. Traffic work. Traffic work. That lady looked like she had a huge problem with us. I'm recovering from an illness. It was not coronavirus. I think I just got the cold, common cold, the old CC. But it's alright. Got that good vegan immune system, keeping me well. Pulling up to our first rest stop here. Yeah, great ride, man. It's a good route. There's very few stops, and the traffic is very manageable. And you know what? I kind of like having a couple cars to play around with. So her battery can't quite make it up to the Griffith Observatory. Griffith Observatory is like that GTA spot. We'll go there another time. We're just gonna go back to the car in Chinatown now. We're all red and black today. Squatted. Sort of a coincidence. It sucks. Oh, little bump, little bump. Wah, wah. Beverly Hills right now. Oh, I'm tired. Thank you, man. Best filmer on the planet right there. It doesn't even need any hands. Beverly Hills, it's so funny. It's like all old white people just like do wheelies on him. They're like, what the fuck? Yeah!